asem na meka no.
Yeah.
And obutini bi o mo ando ka say John Mahama pa adwuma ma obi ye. What kind of rubbish? What kind of rubbish? Sadu mani dina e wo honum. Eti extra ni de ka ho na John Mahama ja. Look. Mo wadwena yetimi di enya oye in commercial quantity. Mo was happening.
Debbie.
You can say chachuchi gata. Sane oye exploration. Who prison gwa wanyanko you. Kesa na da ho no. Eja kesi kitwa. Ni odu ko prison no de odu no de eye ho tete ho.
Yeah.
Ahun tete ho na de ko ye no.
Yeah.
What you say? Eti amagbo na ye ebu no. Enye kasa tenten.
Debbie.
Debom eye obi a wo adwene. Na obema adwene no ababem transcribe abaye nyansa. What you say? Amambo no adwene ne nyansa no echo together.
Yes.
Eti sa wo adwene na nyansa ni ho no a wo beti.
Untumi nye.
Wo beti.
Untumi nye.
Eti akopo ado, nyankopo adom no. Adwene no wo wako school wo suade wo nim. That is the knowledge. The knowledge is there. And then nyankopo amano divine wisdom. Eti wo blend it through na. E no that here ko. Eti wo put the program bi aba. Wo tena sidi no wa hwa no opo. Ke yanuma yanya encounter with President Akufo-Addo no ho. Obetu ba kọ danim. Wo ka sem che na no otie odi. Uwia, was okay, I'll look at it. Umose opiano bofu. Adiwe mi ko ka yenka. Jaje nka sheshe na kwa okay, go ahead. Ebia you say. I'll look at it. No what you say? E bet me 1 week. Answer wa front okay. Asem ya wo kan ye no. Say. So how dey no. Wa ta dwen ho. Wa ye ho consultation. Etiansa na wo be ma go ahead no. Na solid. They solid. And this way no man. Like you sabi them go. Mun kon ko brasi o money ade no. Akufo-Addo no do that.
Yeah. Honorable, hold on for me 1 minute.
God.
Hold on for me 1 minute. Mr. Boyo.
Yeah.
As a one why meka bi. As a honorable I can be man ayo de. Honorable I can be man ayo de. Me pa chop. And you no kan ya ma me who start reaction no. Did do one ka. Opesanka also the support to their okay na.
They said Hobson my boss.
Yes.
Say Hobson we nipa bia sebi o me ka me boss a ese wanti ase me ne ye adwuma to beef up security every 24 hours there na ekọ eba nyina eye sa operations
nice
me fa o platform we so men danase say
good
on family say baby ame wo me so me fa me no share ideas with experience with bibia bibia finchim so at say nipa de uni obi ye adwuma say nipa no hu say mo nyina adwuma no mo ye na mfaso na aba ama Ghana aba ama ye MPP party so at say
obi say me bisa question bi okay almost say ufri srem right we are not na right and Akufo-Addo eya kenni Edia pa na wo hu Akufo-Addo ho e ma we say ubedi na chief opposition ya why your loyal till now what does to protect your loyal dignity respect e momo e chen Ghana for oba bonten a se wetu kwan na winim dia make ya Many animal latafo franchise, but Krobia Bekomubia, Alatafo Dian say, it has said almost sick as same year, or ye, and as on my kunkuma, no munduro, no my trim or dear woman so.
Any country, some of the African countries are yet relevant outside. But Ghana, Oko London, Ghana community very vibrant. Oba Canada, Ghana community very vibrant. Oko Germany, Ghana community very vibrant. And like say Opa Omaya, even abroad for crowds who say, oh, and Crawford way there, Omati democracy, I say I am a democracy, I ever Ghana din na yebo. Ghana din and yebo. Enti ayam one. Say yenya afofre wa bonten e peja yen. That is the irony of it all. One more omo wa bonten e peja Ghana. Me won now for alatafwa. One more to a better Ghana. One can say no to catch them say Ghana is the best place to live in the world if you can only find a way to survive. Like get something little to do. I have had my own South African friends who are telling me, how did you Ghanaians do it? I have Ethiopian people telling us, what, like, just say, I said last time, God is my witness. Somalia nima and biwa. Me crowd the name says are planting for food and jobs, you know, like a tennis. Me names or no crowd who follow African news, sir. Oh, yeah, can I say, oh, your president do very good guy, eh? He make Nkrumah, he make farm, eh? I see Al Jazeera. Or no make asano, or say, or share impactor. Planting for food and jobs are NDC for say any honso among for yebi. Mutieme. Planting for food and jobs are NDC for kwa rank kasa ko chreme baby aye planting for food and jobs. Nelson woman kasa a secretary, regional secretary one time beka say e kufuado planting for food no de ba ye no e ya de pa na me no amafe ho enya ho mfaso amende matolan cruiser enya me na meka ye NDC niya wa ye position e wo NDC mo ne ka ye. A Somalian was praising planting for food and jobs. Ghana for when people outside Ghana are busy lifting Ghana, rushing to Ghana to do business, relating to Ghana, coming to Ghana to study. Over the years, Omaba Ghana every year school on what to say? Bruni Bia sorry said, or University of Somalia, Aquacusia de Ohoda. But Bruni ebe fan the bad said, or University of Ghana, Legon. Now we could see idea. The outside world praises Ghana. The ordinary Ghanaian who doesn't know what solution is, who does not like not general and generally mwaye beba ya ordinary say mento atade bronya be mindidi yo meye didi mento akoko mento of sardine mento beef mento say antiama enra no okoto ni dwan baaye mento mi dwan mento mi say eh mento dwan yo mento akoko enkola isu bronya ba akoko e me den atobi. You start thinking, you find solutions. Ope omanya ya chene ewo from past say Ghana na ubenya, and it's all because of a particular party that has ruled us with propaganda for so long. It is because of a particular party that has used lies to deceive the people of Ghana to even know say at the papa ba Ghana ni who's at the papa ba. And the ban is saying na ya fro tro ye ni na yet tro dia okura graphic here all kind yes you too know ye ni na na fa e you tro ye ko kenishi obi call doko nya ade dia okope ne ho asem